Don't download Asana Enterprise Task Management app before watching this. Before you download Asana Enterprise Task Management, here's what most teams overlook. It's more than a task tracker. Enterprise Asana offers portfolio management, custom workflows, and advanced reporting, but many businesses fail by skipping strategy. Step 1. Organize projects and teams. Asana supports multiple projects, portfolios, and dependencies. Most people get this wrong by creating cluttered tasks and unclear priorities. Step 2. Set up automations. Automate approvals, reminders, and recurring tasks. The surprising truth is, poorly configured automations can slow teams instead of boosting productivity. Step 3. Integrate tools. Asana integrates with Slack, email, and reporting tools for seamless workflows. Without integration, updates and progress tracking become inconsistent. Step 4. Monitor performance. Use dashboards and reporting to track task completion, bottlenecks, and team efficiency. Teams that act on this data improve delivery times and overall productivity. The upside: properly implemented, Asana Enterprise can boost task completion rates by up to 35%, reduce manual follow-ups, and centralize project oversight. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team can plan projects, configure automations thoughtfully, and monitor results. For smaller teams, basic Asana plans may suffice. Subscribe for actionable tips before investing in enterprise task management tools.